Hello dear friends, welcome to the new video for enumeration. We were seeing about the different derived data types and user defined data types. So we have seen about structure, union, user defined data type in the last video. This video is going to talk about enumeration. So enumeration is actually consisting of an integral constant where you have to just remember the names of the constant and which assigns the integer value to the named constant. Enum keyword is used to define the enumeration which is actually list one by one. So for example, if I want to declare an enumeration, you have to write enum keyword, then the name of the enumeration and the values inside the enumeration. As stated, spring, summer, autumn, winter are the values to whom we have to assign the integral constant. Season is the enumeration name and enum is the keyword. So as we can see, season is enum name and spring, summer, autumn, winter are values. Now by default actually the value starts from 0 and increments by one value. So spring will have value 0, summer will have value 1 and so on. We can change the default value of the enumeration element during the declaration as seen follow. You can write spring is equal to 0 and after that summer is by default 1, but we can change it by summer is equal to 4, autumn is equal to 8, winter is equal to 12. So we can have different values to the different constants. Now to declare the enumeration variable, you have to use the enumeration name. For example, if you have an enumeration name which is given as boolean, which is having two values false and true, so you use the enumeration name boolean and then the enumeration variable. So check is the enum type variable which can have the value either false and true. So let's see an enumeration example. You have a program written where we have enumeration written by enum week. We have Sunday, Monday till Saturday, the week's day. Now by default, when I am having Sunday, it will have default value 0 and Monday will have 1, Tuesday 2 and so on. So inside the main function, if you want to use the enumeration, you declare the enumeration name like week and after that give the variable name, that is today is the enumeration variable name. To assign the value to the enumeration variable name, you can assign any one of the value which is stated above, either from Sunday to Saturday. So here I am writing today is equal to Wednesday. So when you display cout day, today plus 1, now as expected all of you might say that it should display Thursday, thus, but if you see the output will give you day 4. Why? Because today is being assigned to Wednesday, which is having an integral value as 3. Starting from Sunday 0, 1 to Wednesday is having value 3. So 3 plus 1 comes 4. We can see another enumeration example. For example, I am writing an enumeration declared as enum gender male comma female. So we can declare an enumeration inside the main function also. You are defining enum and then you create a gender variable. Gender is equal to female. We are assigning the value female to the gender enumeration variable, and then depending upon the gender value, we can switch, either the value can be male or female. So if case male is there, it will display gender is male and the value, and if case female is there, it will write gender is female and then show the value. Or it's if no value either from male or female, it can be said that value can be male or female. So if you run this program, since we have assigned it the value of female to the gender enumeration variable, it will switch to female and the output as expected will be female and its value. Now here the value is being assigned as 1. Why? Because male is assigned value 0 by the enumeration and female is just one value ahead, that is 1. Another enumeration example, we can take enumeration year from Jan to December. We can have traverse the year of enumeration by just writing, instead of writing I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 12, you can have the named constant over there, I is equal to Jan to I is equal to less than or equal to December, and you display the value. So the output as expected will be 0 to 11. So these are where enumeration is example. It takes only one possible values out of many possible values and makes our note neat and more readable. So we have studied about the different user defined data type union as well as the enumeration user defined